Hey guys, welcome to another episode of What Are We Gonna Find with Federico? We're seeing an apartment.
Apartments?
950 square feet, maybe 900 feet. I don't ever believe his numbers. We'll let you know. We'll write it below.
55,000.
55,000. Yeah, it's like $65,000.
Potential?
Oh, that's always bad when he says that. So there's potential. Let's go take a look, shall we? Oh, this is cute. Very cute entrance. Very cute. He loves doors. You know, he's always like Vanna Whiting the doors. That's been my imitation of Federico. This is a cute little bench. Can we grab that on the way out? They'll never miss it.
Okay, open.
Why is it always the top floor? Is there a reason? Like, are people trying to kill me? Well. Oh boy. What is this? It's like dorm rooms. Doorways to your left. Please follow the emergency lights on the floor. And welcome to our aircraft. That's what this reminds me of. Potential, whenever he says that, that's always a bad sign. You know? I mean, it's like, come into my kitchen cubby. Come into my bedroom cubby. Come into my dining room cubby.
It's symmetrical.
Come into my living room cubby.
It's very symmetrical.
Inexpensive, it's affordable.
Move-in ready?
It is move-in ready.
Yeah, parking, no problem.
Parking, no problem.
Lots of
Close
privacy,
to town.
relax.
Stephen is like saying all the Federico things. I love it. He's like, relax, privacy, parking, no problem. Yeah, it's cute, I guess.
Yeah, so you can shower and have a pee at the same time.
You could just pee into the sink and not even bother to go back there. I think that it definitely needs some work. You literally take a shower in the toilet, I think, no?
It's an efficient use of space.
Right there, the shower, the toilet. Your knees are definitely like this.
Floor
Floor is pretty.
del primo dei Novecento.
Yeah,
Queste
I would
erano
say
le
the best
cimentine.
part about this is the floor and high ceilings, definitely. But this runway is odd to me. I don't get it.
Il prezzo, potenzialmente il
It's
prezzo
just such a strange floor plan.
Qui c'era un preventivo con un nuovo bagno, 60.000 euro.
That's not bad. It's like 17,000, 16,000.
Sì,
yeah,
60,000.
16, 17,000, yeah. The good news is we could rip all the walls out. I don't think, this might be a support wall, but at least we could rip all this out and just have sort of a groovy flat. I think that's what I would probably do here, is probably make it just super groovy. So I think it'd be worth the renovation for the location and the price, is what I'm thinking on this. Because it is a nice size. It is like, it probably is around 900 square feet. I think that is true. So, and I lived in about, I lived in more like 1,500 square feet when I had my flat. But this is perfect for like a couple or one person. Sort of changed my mind about this. I think for the price, it's quite good for the square footage and where it's located. If you want a project, if you're okay living like this, God bless you. But you know, I think that it definitely needs some work. I mean, that bathroom, you're right, is so narrow. I mean, you literally take a shower in the toilet, I think, no?
Well, why don't you try it out?
Is there a shower in the toilet? Is there, who's,
Go, get right in there.
I don't, well, I have to turn the light on. Where is
Oh, I don't think the lights will work. There's no lights.
There's no lights?
I'll give you light.
All right. Oh my God, this is horrifying. I mean, look at this bathroom. I mean, I don't know that I'd even fit in that like little crevice. Look, you can't even turn around.
You can multitask though. You can have a shower and have a wee.
Oh my God, you could just use this as a bidet. Okay, so that bathroom's gotta go.
Groceries. It's like an elevator, but for groceries. Cool.
Thanks for watching. If you've gotten this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks to Federico for showing us this interesting property. See you next time.